Fast loan advance. Need cash fast, get quick, hassle-free loans with no hidden fees whether it's unexpected expense or an urgent bill. Our fast loan advance offer you the funds you need in a record time. Apply now and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible payment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get the support you need today. So hi guys and welcome. This video I'll show you how you can loan money on the fast loan advance. So first of all, what is fast loan advance? Fast loan advance is designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers quick access to funds with a streamlined application process, often without lengthy paperwork, ideal for unexpected expenses or emergencies. This loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent financial needs efficiently. So first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Fast Loan Advance. So this is we have here various websites show and explain how it works with Fast Loan Advance. So we have here Reddit, Outlook India, Bad Credit, and we have here the homepage of Fast Loan Advance. So if you click over it, we have here the homepage. So we have here various information. We can just write it like how much do you need, and you sell your phone number. Also, we have your contact email and loan purpose. You choose the one you want. Here, for example, auto purchase and other things. Like also, would you also consider a lower amount? You can just respond by yes or no. So right now I will give you typically involves a few straightforward steps. The first step is assess your need, determine how much money you need and for what purpose. This will help you choose the right loan amount and type. Then we have research lenders, find reputable lenders that for fast loan advances, compare interest rates, fees and terms to find the best option for you. Then we have apply online or in person, complete the application process. You will usually need to provide personal information, proof of income and details about your financial situation. Some lenders allow you to apply online for quicker processing. Then we have review carefully, read the loan agreement including interest rates, repayment terms and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you will receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. Then we have repay the loan. Follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement. Make payments on time to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit history. Then we have monitor your finances. After receiving the loan, keep track of your spending and financial situation to ensure you can manage payments without additional strain. So by following these steps, you can effectively use the fast loan advance to address your immediate financial needs. So right now, I will give you some benefits, or let's say some key benefits, how you can use a fast loan advance. The first thing is quick access to funds. So fast loan advances provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Simple also application process. The application process is usually straightforward and may be completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. Then we have flexibility. Many fast loan advance loans offer flexible payment terms and amounts, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are unsecured, meaning you don't need to provide collateral to get approved. Then we have convenience. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have credit building opportunities. If you make timely payments, it can positively impact your credit score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. Then we have transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. Then we have immediate relief. Fast loans can help you address urgent financial issues such as medical expenses, car repairs, or unexpected bills, providing immediate relief and peace of mind. So then we have here when Using a fast loan advance, consider this basis of advice to manage it effectively. We have the first one, it's only borrow what you need. Borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Over borrowing can lead to higher repayment amounts and financial strain. Then we have understand the terms carefully, review the loan terms, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payment. Then we have loan for repayment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan. Budget for monthly payments and ensure you have the means to meet them without compromising with essential expenses. Then we have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble and difficulty managing repayments. Then we have check your credit, review your credit report before applying for a loan. A good credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates. Then we have consider alternatives. If possible, explore other financing options such as personal saving, borrowing from friends or family, or other types of credit with better terms. Then we have keep track of spending, use the funds wisely, stick to your budget, and avoid unnecessary expenditures to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan. Then we have be cautious with lenders, choose reputable lenders and avoid those with hidden fees or predatory practices. Verify their legitimacy and read customer reviews if available. Then we have plan for emergencies. If you frequently find yourself in need of fast loans, consider setting up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses in the future. Then we have the last one. It's monitor your financial health regularly, review your financial situation and loan status to stay on the top on the top of your obligation and make adjustments if needed. So by following these steps, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So using a fast loan advance can be a practical solution for urgent financial needs, offering quick access to funds with minimal paperwork. To maximize its benefits, borrow only what you need, thoroughly understand the loan terms and plan for timely repayment. Always choose reputable lenders and consider alternative options when possible. By managing the loan wisely and staying on the top of your finances, you can address immediate expenses while maintaining financial stability. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.